In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to paint a hummingbird. So recently I finished a mural that is located near downtown Crystal Lake, and this was for Annie Popin, owner of Mowgli Studios. And if you want to see final photos and a brief description of this mural, just check out my website at laurenelizabethfineart.com. So as I was painting this mural, I often found these little hummingbirds that would come and feed from the feeders that were hanging from the left and the right of this mural. And these things were so tame. They were getting so close that I could see all the colors in their feathers. There's blues and yellows and greens, and it's got, look at this shine to it that is something I've never ever seen before in a bird. It was just beautiful. To start my hummingbird, I used blue paint on a prepped canvas to sketch out the hummingbird just with a reference photo I got from online. I painted the background. This was not my final background, but I just needed something to cover the background for now. I prepped my paint palette with all the colors that I saw and then just started plugging in the shapes that I had made the feathers with the different colors. So I tried to complement greens with reds and oranges with purples and blues, and I just filled in each feather. When colors overlapped, I would go back in with my dark blue because I wanted that shadow. I would go in with the dark blue and then re-outline the feathers so that there is a strong distinction between one feather from the other. As the first layer dried, I then went in with my little bit lighter tones, especially on the head, and so I just added a little bit lighter tones of blue mixed in with purple, and then even more light, adding some light blues and some whites to where the light is hitting at the front of the beak. The nice thing about using acrylic paint is if you're not happy with something, you just let it dry and then paint right over it. My last steps were just adding the lighter tones to the front of the head, the beak, and then adding those final last touches, highlights to make the eye just pop. Well, there you have it. If you enjoyed that tutorial, I will be making more, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to your right. Please do have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.